5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi there. Welcome to NumberRoyale. This is Sakti Vail, welcoming Sairam, Divakar 786, like numbers, Gugan, Harita Shri, Siddharth, Star, Math Nerd, Ratna MJ, Selvi 17, Raj Murugan, and Star is Ashrita back here, Nivas, Sakti, let's see, Abhiram Balu, and S_P, Harihara Sudan, numbers guy. Welcome each and every one of you. We have the all correct format now. You know what that means. There are 8 puzzles. You better get all 8 of them right so that you can be standing tall at the end of the match. So you just need to, if you don't get it right or you run out of time, you can use a life to jump back in. You can use a maximum of 2 lives to come back in. The last question on the 8th puzzle, you cannot use lives. Okay, so it's very simple. It's get it right and be standing tall. So let's give it a try. And before we get started, of course, we have a simple riddle. This time we chose to give you a math riddle. If 11 plus 2 equal to 1, if 11 plus 2 equal to 1, what is 9 plus 5? I think this crowd should crack it in no time, right? Where's the, oh, there are no answers. We'll wait for a while. Let's move on to, let's go to question 1. 6, 4, and 1. The desired result is 3. The desired result is 3 with addition and subtraction. There are 8 possible solutions. And Web Warrior, congratulations Web Warrior. And let me know how you get that. Maybe you can explain it. 56 of you have gotten it right. I believe that's the maximum number of players that I have seen who've gotten a puzzle right in NumberRoyale thus far. Congratulations to all 56 of you who are moving on to question 2 coming up. 60, 46, and 4. The desired result is 18. Addition, subtraction, and division are in play. Although I have to admit, I don't know how you would divide and still get the desired result. So it was just a simple matter of addition and subtraction. So 51 of you have gotten it right. And moving on to the next puzzle. 19, 10, and 16. And the desired result is 45. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. Desired result, of course, is 45. Solutions is 12. I'll be shocked if all 50 or whoever is standing tall don't get it. This crowd is just too good. You're going to cash this one in and do this in your sleep. And then let's see how many of you. Yeah, no surprise there. 51 of you have gotten it right. And congratulations to you. Let's move on to question 4. 10, 2, 11, and 5. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. How do you get 48 out of 10, 2, 11, and 5? There are only 4 possible solutions. I can give you a helpful hint, of course. There is multiplication involved in it, but what are you going to multiply with what? So the puzzle was 11 plus 2 is 11 a.m. plus 2 hours will be 1 p.m. That's why, it's just a clock. Wow. Was this a tough one? There's only one player who got it. 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 times 8 is 48. And I want to know who got it. And please fess up. We're going to applaud you. Don't worry. So let's see, anyways. We don't know yet, but anyway, he or she wants to be modest. That's fine. I thought this was a fairly simple puzzle, but hey, there's only one remaining, and maybe somebody else will jump in with lives. Let's see what happens in question 5. 4.3, 7.333, 3.2, and 2.7. Desired result is 5.733. 60 possible solutions, and there's one player I know is playing, and I'm curious to know, did a few of you jump back in with life, or are you going to let this one player run away with the match? Srinidhi says it's Nivas 2003, but a lot of you have lives in hand and you had to get back in. I'm glad you did. We are in double digits with 10 players jumping back in, and let's see what happens in question 6. So we still, the lone player still remains a mystery, and modesty is a virtue. So that's good. 18, 17, 13, and 2. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication with a desired result of 26. 26. How do you get 26 from this? And there could be some multiplication involved in it. So pretty easy. And Sakti is saying he got it easily. Yeah, this is pretty simple. I think it was 2 times 13 was the key, right? Yeah, 13 times 2 and then 18 minus 17. So 7 of you are still remaining after question 6. So let's see if anybody chooses to use lives or not. Or let's go on to question 7. 10, 9, 6, and 14 for a desired result of 27. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. How do you get 27 from 10, 14, 9, and 6? I think this is pretty easy to be a question 7. There's perhaps no multiplication involved in this, but that's okay. You had a shocker earlier on in the match with everybody getting wiped out. So let's see how many of the 7 are remaining. Oh, all 7 continue to play. That's no surprise there. So let's see whether anybody decides to jump back in, or if only 7 of you are competing for question 8, which is fractions. I had given you a clue that use lowest common denominators. Maybe that'll help. Let's try question 8. 7/6, 1/3, 2/3. Desired result is 5/6. Addition and subtraction are in play. Let's see, are you just going to do it by yourself, just off the top of your head, or are you going to use lowest common denominator? This one, I think, you could probably solve it just off the top of your head, and I hope you did. And I want to see how many of the 7 have solved it correctly and going to be the number royales for this match. 5 of you have solved it. Congratulations to each and every one of you who solved it, and all the others who played and competed hard, as well as the everybody who participated today. Glad to see so many of you jumping in and playing along. This is terrific. I'm glad you're all staying safe and healthy. Let's go take a look at who the winners are. Eastman, Kausalya, Strange Thinker, Aji, and Jeffy are the number royals for this elimination match. Congratulations to each and every one of you. I applaud you all. You've done a great job in getting up to the last question and solving it correctly. Each one of you wins 60 cents apiece, and we thank you all for playing. And at this point, this is Saktivel signing off with let's see. Oh, Eastman is claiming that it's his or her first win. Congratulations, Eastman. And I hope that there are others that who are, so great job. So this is Saktivel signing off, reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a 0. Be a hero. Play Number Royale every day. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.